It's the 3rd of February 2023. Today I have been to Hessle, and now I am leaving and driving along Eastgate. I'd come to Hessle to visit all the charity shops. Unfortunately, I didn't find what I was looking for. Now I'm heading to the Humberfield Reuse Shop, which is located at the local recycling site. It's only a couple of miles away, and has larger items than the town center charity shops. So I might be lucky. Ahead is Hull Road. To the right is Hessle Square. But I will turn left to head out. This is Butfield Road. That's Margaret Grove, where the red post office van is. Jill Grove is coming up on the left, just after the blue car. The next right is Bon Accord Road. The next left is Ferry Road. Also, Butfield Road will change its name to Ferry Road after it. Fleet Drain is down there. This is a photo I took of it. You also access a footbridge over the A63 from Ferry Road. The next left is Castle Way, followed by Fishwick Avenue on the right, the other end of Bon Accord Road. The next right is Southgate. You can head back to Hessle Square using it. After Southgate, the road name changes to Station Road. Where that person is crossing on the next right, is South Lane. This will lead to the Weir, and the top end of Preston Gate. Coming up on the right is Chestnut Avenue. In hindsight, I might have done better to use this road, as it joins Ferriby Road, which I will be joining further down. The next right is Greenway, followed by on the left, Vaughan Road. You can see on the left a footbridge. This also goes over the A63. Here's a photo I took from this bridge. Coming up on the left, after 1860 interiors, is Hessle Railway Station. Here's a quick look. That's the Humber Bridge in the background, the UK's longest single-span suspension bridge. The road opposite the station was Southfield. This road now becomes Southfield 2. Ahead is Woodfield Lane. Left, takes you over the A63 and Hessle foreshore. Further on that road are lots of car dealers. You can also get to Priory Way that way. Right leads up to Ferriby Road. The next left is Cliff Top Lane, followed by Bluebell Gardens on the right. Then it's West Hill on the left, with the other end of Southfield, a little further on the right. On the left is Milngarth, followed a little further on the right, by Davenport Avenue, where the red post box is. Ahead is a crossroads, where the road crosses Ferriby Road. Straight on is Heads Lane. Right takes you back to Hessle, joining at the Weir and the end of South Lane. Left will take us to the A15. Here I pass under the A15 approach road for the Humber Bridge. The next left is for the Humber Bridge Country Park. This local nature reserve is a special place both for people and for wildlife. At the roundabout, turn left and you can head back for Hull on the A63, or Leeds and the M62. Turning right takes you to the roundabout for the Humber Bridge and the A15, the A164 for Beverley, and Hessle along Booth Ferry Road. This is the entrance for the Humberfield Household Waste Recycling Center, where the Humberfield Reuse Shop is located. At the roundabout, left is for the recycling point. My destination. There's plenty of free parking available. Success! I managed to find what I was looking for. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time, cheerio.